Hi artists, I'm really excited to make this color wheel turkey with you today. So this project is going to focus a lot on our cutting and gluing skills again, and also talk about the order of the rainbow. So when we see a rainbow in real life out in the sky, there is a certain way that the colors are arranged. So today we need to make sure that we have our feathers in a rainbow order pattern. So we're going to talk about that being red, orange, yellow, green, blue, then purple. What you're going to have today are some construction paper shapes. You're going to need your scissors and your glue and also some of your own crayons. We're going to need to start with cutting. So when we cut our shapes today, please make sure you do your best to cut on the black line. And you're going to put all of your trash back on your tray, just like this. So that pickup for trash will be super easy if we do that. So once you have all of your shapes cut out, it should look something like this. And then the fun part is to arrange them. So the first shape that we're going to need to use is our brown circle for the turkey body. So I think about having my paper sideways, the long sideways, and then I'm going to put my finger at the bottom of my paper so I can tell that my turkey body needs to be just above my finger. We want to make sure that we put glue on our turkey shapes today, not our gray paper. And I've got glue all over my circle, and don't forget to give your shape a little massage with your fingers on your paper. Okay, we're going to start from left and work all the way over to the right side. So the very first feather that we're going to need is our red feather. If you accidentally have a rip on your paper, that's okay, because when we glue things, we'll put things back together. So our red feather is going to go off to the side, just like this. And I want you also to start out with your purple feather, because the purple will be the last feather we'll need. And we want to make sure that we put that on the opposite side of our red feather. And then from here, it's pretty easy. We're going to use our orange feather right next to the red feather. And if this happens, your purple glue will dry clear. So don't get frustrated by that. Yellow comes next. And the yellow will be near the middle. And then we only have two more to go. We're going to do green next to yellow. And then the last color we need is our blue feather. Once we have all of our feathers glued down, we're going to put the head right on top. Okay, and then the very last details we're going to add with our crayons. So we can take our white crayon and make the eyes. A really easy way to do the turkey beak is by using a triangle. I've got my triangle beak. If you want to, some turkeys have this kind of little gobble part. So I put that with my red crayon. And then the last details are really for the feathers. So we can give our turkey body some feather shapes by drawing a few U's. And then for the long feathers, we can draw a vertical line that goes in the middle of each feather. And then to make it, again, just look a little bit more like a turkey feather, we can draw the letter V on top of what we already drew. You can use whatever colors you would like for the crayon step. And then before we forget, we can't forget our turkey legs. So you can just draw 2 vertical lines just like this. And if you draw like the letter L, you could also do 3 here, and that kind of looks maybe a little bit more like a turkey leg. Okay, artists, these are going to look fantastic. Thank you so much.